Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Slack for Teams, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Slack for your team, begin by visiting the official Slack website. Once there, locate the download option in the navigation menu. Click on it to access the different versions available. Select the version suitable for your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. After clicking the appropriate, once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's file directory. For Windows users, double-click the .exe file to start the installation process. If you're on macOS, open the .dmg file and drag the Slack icon into your Applications folder. For Linux users, follow the on-screen instructions to install the package. After installation, launch the Slack application. You may be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If your team already uses Slack, enter your credentials to access your workspace. If you're new to Slack, click on Create a new workspace. Follow the steps to set up your workspace by entering your email address and verifying it. Once your workspace is created, invite team members by entering their email addresses. To customize Slack, explore the settings and adjust notifications according to your preferences. Now, you're ready to start using Slack for team collaboration. Feel free to explore channels, direct messages, and integrations to enhance your communication experience. Enjoy the streamlined workflow that Slack offers for your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.